What an honor to get our hands on the special edition 1980 Pontiac Trans Am. This Indianapolis 500 pace car edition was produced to celebrate the first Trans Am to pace the Indianapolis 500. One of 5,700 cars produced in 1980, it has a turbocharged 4.9-liter V8 engine and a 3-speed automatic transmission. All the pace cars were equipped with the same features, including a Cameo White exterior, gray graphics, and a Hobnail Cloth Doeskin vinyl interior. Other features include air conditioning, power windows, AM/FM radio with power antennas, removable silver-tinted T-top panels, cruise control, special embroidered interior, tilt column, leather formula steering wheel with a special horn button, and red backlit instrumentation. It also has the WS6 Special Performance Handling package with 4-wheel disc brakes, 3.081 safety track rear axle, and turbo alloy wheels painted in white with 225/70 R15 raised letter radial tires. What a difference a detail makes. All the dirt and dust was removed, and look how she shines. To schedule your detail, reach out at 813-510-7906.